So that little experiment has to do with all of this stuff and why. So all that was isopropyl alcohol, and what you do is you dump in some turmeric, and the turmeric has a chemical compound in it called curcumin, and that happens to phosphoresce when shone with a UV light, which I have here. Now, let's light this stuff up. If I can make my way around in the dark. Let's see. There we go. Now this all comes together, I swear. The curcumin was just a little fun experiment, I thought. But if you check out how these things glow, even the ink on this particular little component fluoresces. This particular sticker seems to have fluorescent light. I actually tried it on a Canadian $10 bill. Does not want to fluoresce. So that's fine. But why am I doing this in the first place? It's all to do with this. Let me just kill this guy. So as you can see, this keyboard is completely yellow. You can compare it to that gray. That's still, this is yellowed. But comparatively, it looks pretty terrible. Now, that's not dirt. That is in fact caused by UV lights. If you had a keyboard from way back in the 90s, one of these old clunkers, you would know that if it was in the sunlight, part of it might be, you know, affected. And so what we do is we use this big UV light here to reverse this process. Now, this is a chemical process, it's not a cleaning process. It actually messes with the polymers. Now, that's what's coming up next. I got my 2 UV lights, but the trick is I need some heavy-duty hydrogen peroxide. So, I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. I'm going to hook it up in the bath with a UV light after I dismantle the keyboard, and yeah, once I get this thing assembled, well, you'll see what I have planned for it. This thing is going to be internet connected.